Hi, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, do precisely what your boss tells you for a fun time. Amazon is still full on into the AI inside the office. In February, Amazon Web Services broke when they forced engineers to deploy AI code. This did not slow Amazon down for a moment. Amazon managers have been just as wowed by OpenClaw and the other idiot bot assistants as every other company's C-level. So now, Amazon's got its own claw thing. It's called MeshClaw. They wrote it internally. Amazon's been deploying MeshClaw across the company over the past several weeks. Amazon has now given AI token use targets to 80% of its developers. They even have a leaderboard in the office to show who's been token maxing hardest. What happens when you give an engineer a usage metric? They beat on it as hard as possible. Show me the incentive and I'll show you the outcome. The developers are using MeshClaw to do work or non-work as much as they can. Gotta pump those tokens. The Financial Times spoke to some Amazon devs. Quote, "There is just so much pressure to use these tools. Some people are just using MeshClaw to maximize their token usage." Unquote. Amazon told the devs that their token statistics would not be used for performance reviews, despite their managers giving the staff official quotas and the official leaderboard. The developers know better than to believe a word of this. Quote, "Several staff members said they believed managers were monitoring the data. Managers are looking into it," said another current employee. "When they track usage, it creates perverse incentives, and some people are very competitive about it." Unquote. MeshClaw can do all sorts of useful things at work, like triage emails and talk on Slack for you. Yeah, compelling. But Amazon also lets MeshClaw do code deployment because they learnt nothing from the AI outages in February. This is despite the employees pointing out how obviously stupid and dangerous this is. Quote, "The default security posture terrifies me. I'm not about to let it go off and just do its own thing." Unquote. Amazon said in a statement when the Financial Times asked about all of this, quote, "We're committed to the safe, secure, and responsible development and deployment of generative AI for our customers." Unquote. To be clear, Amazon still does not have an actual use case for AI, apart from breaking your production systems. But that doesn't stop your manager from setting a KPI and breathing down your neck. Just use more tokens. When you have no idea what you're doing, do it harder. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI, and thank you again to all the Pivot to AI fans who've come to the party to help us in our hour of need. With the broken laptop and the coming house move, please do hit the Patreon and the coffee in the show notes, and, of course, the Amazon wish list, which is full of useful production machinery. In the meantime, please do hit like and subscribe on YouTube, leave a nice review in your podcast app, and tell everyone you know about this episode of Pivot to AI. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.